plug this in, and there you go, bam! It lights up. Hey, what's up guys? This is Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video guys, I'm going to be installing the rear LED dome light into my MK7 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. So without further ado, on with the video. Let's hop into the back of the car now and get this LED installed. My LED dome light in the rear is the basic model Jetta S version 1, which is just a single festoon bulb. It's 38 millimeters. There's only one bulb, it's a single bulb basically. I think some of the SE and SEL models require two festoon bulbs, both 38 millimeters, as they have a much more larger and dual bulb housing basically, the dome light. Whereas my car does not have that housing, just has a basic housing, which is just one bulb. On to the video guys. So guys, here's the box. It says Extreme Vision LED Festoon 6000K. There's the side of the box. There's the kind of front of the box. There's the bulb itself, 6000K it says there. Daylight effect, 5 times more light, 12 years lifetime warranty. There's a bulb. There's the information of the bulb type, I guess. Here's the side of the box. Let's see what it says. Bright white light, 6000K. Daylight effect, up to 5 times more light than conventional bulbs. Wow. There's the bottom of the box. Philips automotive lighting. Okay. And there you go. Alright guys, now we're inside the car. So let's go ahead and turn this light off, so we won't have any power on while we're taking out the rear dome light housing. And I have my non-marring pry tools here ready to go. So let's go ahead and start sticking it in the actual dome light housing and see if we can pop the dome light housing out of the headliner here. Try the other angle. Cool. Okay. Being very... I have another tool here I can shove in. Wow, it's pretty difficult and it's fighting with me to come out. So it looks like you hold it with one non-marring pry tool, or you use another non-marring pry tool to pop it out of its socket type way. There you have it guys, it's finally out. It took me forever, it seems. The key was this clip here. You had to push it in this way. To push it in this way. In. In. You see it? I push it in. And then it'll come out. So this side here is the passenger side. So from the passenger side area of the car, you stick in your non-marring pry tool. You push this pin in and it comes out. Alright, so we'll go ahead and unplug it here. So there it is. There's the other side. See, there's a hole there for the bulb, but the bulb now came out. It's just laying there on the glass. So now you have to, looks like, open it up somehow. So now the installation is obviously the opposite way of uninstallation. We just get a new bulb, which we have right here. Okay. Go ahead, take it out of the box. Packaging is becoming ripped. It's okay though. Take it out. There you go, there it is. Okay. Apparently, there was only one in the package, not two like it shows in this packaging. It's only one in the package. Let's take it out. There we go. Wonderful. And let's take it back inside the housing now. Alright guys, after some hard pushing with a pair of flathead screwdrivers, I was able to take this piece out, this cover piece out. And now we're able to go ahead and install the bulb. Just great and easily. And there you have it. I installed a bulb. It was very easy. Apparently it's the right size bulb. It fit right in, no problems. No headaches. So the bulb size is correct, 38 millimeters. Let's plug this in and there you go, bam! It lights up. Now I don't know if this is a one-way bulb again like the front ones were, but basically the first time I plugged the bulb in, it worked right away. So let's go ahead now and pop in this cover piece. There we go, popped it in. Wonderful. And the installation is the same way you just took it out, but in reverse. Driver's side goes in all the way, and the passenger side has to be pushed in with the clip. So we'll push it with our non-marring trim tool here. There we go. They went in. Off. That's on now. Dome light, interior lights. Basically, when you push unlock on the remote, you get this light. And this is permanently on position light. Oh my goodness guys, it looks so bright white. It looks so 6000K, exactly like the package says it would be. I'm 100% satisfied with this bulb. It's pretty bright, wonderful. I absolutely love it. And now the front and the back dome lights are both 6000K bright white bulbs. So later on tonight, I'll head back on into my garage and I'll make a video again showing you the lights inside my cabin turned on in the darkness. And there we have it. In my garage now, I just unlocked the car, and just like that, the interior lights came on. And this time, they're both the 6000K daylight white ones. Oh my goodness guys, they're so bright and so white. I absolutely love them. Oh my gosh. And here's another look at the interior cabin and the rear of the car. Wow. So there you have it guys. That's how to install a rear dome light on a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta S model with a single bulb rear dome light. I had a blast working on my 2019 MK7 Jetta these past couple of days, both starting out on the front dome light install and now the rear dome light install. Oh my goodness guys. That's the end of this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. This is Mr. Greek 2002 signing out. Take care. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for a lot more MK7 Jetta and MK6 Jetta content.